Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Oh my goodness gracious, people, we've got something here that is amazing. This is a 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere, model number ROOST43. So let's get started. The length on this ROOST43 is 43 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 15,044 pounds with a hitch weight of 2,830 with a GVWR of 17,995. I don't think you're going to tow this much.
No, this is definitely one to park and play for sure. It is a fifth wheel, but it is also a destination trailer, so oh my goodness, it is a monster. So let's just go ahead and get started right up here at the front. And look at this one. So yes, you are going to have a spare on it. Again, this is not something you're going to want to tow around, but all of your battery box and everything is up here. They do give you your landing control right up here. You are going to have a spot here for propane on this side.
Yes.
And then your docking is all going to be here behind this panel.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
All your tank pulls, everything is right here.
Yeah. And so you got your hydro filter already in place. And
Tankless water heater.
yes. We'll just give you a shot down this side. It's just, this is just amazing.
Now, a little off-camera secret. We did go inside and check this dude out before.
Yes, we did.
Oh my goodness.
Real quick, y'all look at this one sitting right here.
You can put that little one in there.
Yeah, you could put that one inside this, and you'll see that the slides already have slide toppers on this one. Oh my goodness. I mean, this one is just amazing. It has got, of course, it is a triple axle. So,
We've got rack and pinion on back here.
quite large. So you do have a dump area here. Freshwater drains are there. Let's see, what else do we have? All kinds of slides here. Yes, rack and pinion again. Again, you are going to have manual stabilizers on this, but it is one that you're just going to set up and leave it somewhere. Let's get a good shot here at the back. It is prepped for a backup camera, and it's also prepped for the Lippert ladder. Now your slide here on the front, you'll see it is also rack and pinion, and it also has a slide topper already in place. Your very front slide up here is going to be a Swintech. But let's look at some of these outside features here. So, I don't think we have the length on the awning, but you do have a very nice size power awning. So if you want to pull that out, sit out here. You've got two mini fridges. Okay, we think the power awning is going to be 20 feet. So you've got these two mini fridges.
Wow.
That's just amazing. But then you've got this. So if you get to your permanent site and you need to store some of your chairs or bicycle, I guess you could get a bicycle up in there. You can get all kinds of things in there.
Battery disconnect in here.
And then there is, I believe, another propane tank on this side. So, yes.
Sorry, I was still looking. And I'm just going to say, they went crazy on the spray foam in here.
They do. So you don't have to worry about any
My
critters crawling
goodness.
through those little holes.
Must have got a good deal on a case of it.
Oh, let's see. What else have we got down here? There's a quick connect under there, so you can grill. You have not just an outside speaker, but a JBL speaker.
Yeah. And power,
Yes.
cable. Wow.
Okay, guys, y'all are just you're gonna love this one when we get inside.
After you. If you don't fall.
If I don't trip and fall in. All right. We'll just take a quick little glance around so
Goodness.
you can get an idea of the layout. And this one is just so amazing. We're not even sure where to start, so let's start back here in this corner. You have got a giant L-shaped sofa here. And now it is hinged right down here in this corner, so when you do transport it, this end here will fold in and then you bring your slide in. Great big window back here. You've got the pleated shades that pull from the sides. Nice windows here.
Yeah, they're kind of integrated into the frame. I love that.
So yeah, technically I guess you would call this your campsite. But this is also going to include a coffee table.
Yep. Let me go over here and see what.
Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm trying not to make people dizzy. But yeah, so you can sit here on your giant sofa and watch your giant 65-inch TV.
Smart TV.
That is amazing. And it's got this cool backlighting, so you can tell it's got the little blue around it. You're going to have a JBL sound system down here and a nice big electric fireplace for those cooler mornings. Now, while we're back here at the back, now you do have a little table back here. I think it'll move around as you need it. But
I don't
underneath,
think it moves.
well, it may not. Nope, it is
No,
attached. I'm
yeah.
sorry. But underneath it, you do have a JBL subwoofer. Also have power and USB. Now, up these spiral stairs here. Now, I will tell you, these are a little bit narrow, so you might want to send the kids up here. But you're going to have a light switch right there as you come in. You have this little hanging cabinet right there, and that bar goes all the way across. You've got these really nice storage baskets right up there. You have a place where you can add a TV up here. You've got two twin-size mattresses up here. We did measure these, so they are 30 inches wide, so if you push them together, that's going to give you a queen-size bed back here. And you even have your AC unit up here. Super nice loft here. Now, again, these stairs are pretty narrow, so you might want to think about who you send upstairs. Moving into your kitchen. Oh my goodness, it's just awesome. You've got a really good sized microwave. You've got storage on both sides. You've got these nice big windows up here for natural light.
Oh, got this.
And a shelf. So again, this is a destination trailer, so you can set up all your fun stuff on that shelf once you get parked. On both sides of your stove and oven, you're going to have some storage.
They are soft close. So Tracy,
They are soft close.
we got a comment. Tracy told me to quit pushing these, and I said, "Well, you got to push them."
You have to push them so far before the self-close mechanism will start.
Come on, Tracy.
Shelves over there. You've got this nice big 4-burner cooktop, big oven. That is solid surface on both sides of it. You've got a plug-in on
Let's see.
that side, and then over here on the left, you've got
There it is.
yeah, the little
Tower.
tower of power. Here in the center, you have a ginormous bar area. You've got 5 bar stools that come with this.
Oops.
Now there is antifreeze all over this, so we're not going to touch too much because that stuff is sticky. But you have the swanky sink with the soap dispenser, the glass washer, the waterfall feature. You've got all of the cutting boards and the little colander drain. You name it, it's on there. Pull down faucet. Great space underneath. Plenty of room for your garbage can. Now this is amazing.
Oh, wow.
So you have this pull-out pantry that's almost hidden because when it's pushed in, you don't know that it's a pantry. It almost looks like just a plain panel there, so very cool. You are going to have a French door fridge, and it's got the 2 freezers underneath.
Yes.
Super nice. And I probably should not be chewing bubble gum because you're probably going to hear me smack.
Got your Gatorade holder.
That's my Gatorade holder up there. Over here, you have your coffee station.
All right.
Got some storage. Now, keep in mind, you're not going to be able to get this door all the way open because of the fridge. But I think it opens far enough you can get most anything in there. Some storage there. Another one of those cool baskets. Solid surface over there also. Plug in, USB. Did we open this? Yeah, we opened that little storage.
Yes, ma'am.
Your fuses are going to be down here. Let me back up and show you this giant sliding glass door. You actually have 3 glass panels here. Some more windows up above it. They give you a curtain rod here. I don't think the curtains come with this one. I'm not real sure. But they do get the rod up there, so you can add curtains if you like.
I don't know if they would come with it or not.
We're not sure on that one.
We have not found them.
No, we haven't found any yet. So your fuses are all going to be hidden. Your switches are all going to be hidden behind this door.
And everything is dimmable.
Yes.
It's got dimmable features.
So your lights are dimmable. You do have a ceiling fan up here in case you couldn't see it.
And another AC.
Yep, there's your second AC. And this is what that loft looks like that we were just in. Okay, are y'all ready for this bathroom?
Go ahead.
Oh my goodness, y'all. I mean, just have to take this one all in here. Obviously, straight ahead is going to be your foot flush toilet. It's porcelain. Lots and lots of leg room in front of it. Big old shower. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Now, there is no skylight because there is something up above us. We'll show you that in just a moment. But pretty good headroom.
Yes, it is.
And this is a solid.
30. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
It's a 30 by 48.
30 by 48 solid. You do have a seat there.
Yep.
While I'm standing right here, I'll go ahead and show you the sink area. So you got this really neat vessel sink, solid surface. You've got this. Yeah, it's a little. It'll pull on down.
Ah, there it went.
Yeah. So if you want to put your toothbrushes in here, you got somewhere to put that. Then you've got 2 big drawers.
Again,
down below that.
soft closed.
And they are soft closed. And this is not a medicine cabinet, but you've got all those drawers so you don't need it. But it is a backlit mirror. And then they give you 2 storage shelves over here. Now this up here in the corner is your exhaust for your shower. So you do have an exhaust. They also give you a towel ring in here. Here's all your controls, and there's your fan right there.
And
washer and dryer already in here. And then you've got this really neat shelf for folding. And if you don't need it, it has got the easiest latches I have ever seen.
right under the bottom. Yep.
Yes, but we're not finished in here yet. So you have another shelf up here with this really cool industrial looking towel rack.
And you got another one back here.
Some more hooks back here. And there's more. So if you think you didn't have enough storage, you do. There's even more storage. And so, yes, ma'am, this one is going to get the golden plunger.
Golden plunger.
So this is an awesome bathroom, laundry room.
Goodness.
All together. It is just wonderful. In case I have not pointed it out, which I don't think I did, your heating is going to be in the floor in this unit. Okay, let's go up these really pretty free floating kind of stairs. And you're going to come right up here to a loft. So this is going to be above your bathroom. This is about a queen size bed here, but you do have a space right there to add a TV. And you've got your storage cubbies with the baskets already in place. You have power and USB down here. Now if you need some extra ventilation, these little slats will open.
Yep.
There's a little,
I can't reach it.
but anyway, both sides of these will open, so if you need some extra ventilation up here. But there is an AC vent right over here. So yeah, you can take this down.
Take the rail off if you need
Yeah,
to.
so if you want to use this for storage instead, plus there is a curtain to pull for privacy. This one is just...
And it does have to...
Yes, you do have a ladder to get
Yeah.
into.
Okay.
Now, we're going to move into the main bedroom. So you've seen all of the places for the guest. Now, this is where the owners get to stay. This is amazing. King size bed.
Oh.
There's your screen. One of your
There's
screen
your
doors.
screen.
Yes. So yeah, you've got storage underneath. More of these great baskets. Do have a couple of lights up here. Shelves up above the windows. Now this is going to be on the front. So we are over kind of the gooseneck part of it. So you have these great windows.
Oh
Those
my goodness, I
wonderful
love these shades.
This is almost like a vanity area because they give you the seat. You've got some storage here. Really nice drawers.
More over here.
More shelves. Plug in, USB. And another plug in, another USB on this side. Again, here's your light switch and where your dimmer switch is.
Wow.
Now,
Still not finished.
no, we're not finished yet. Now, this is at the foot of the bed, which is also a slide. So this is also in a slide. You have hanging area, drawer there, big drawer, another drawer, another hanging area. This is going to give you I think this is a 32-inch TV back here. And then you have this mirrored
Yes,
fireplace.
ma'am. 32. Look at you.
Yeah, and of course you do have some straps here so you can secure it while it's in transit. But wait, we're still not finished with this bedroom. There is something else we want to show you. Lots of floor space. And yes, I let the cat out of the bed.
You get the cat out of bed. Okay.
I let the cat out of the bag. You do have a half bath in here.
Yep.
So,
Oh.
and again, another porcelain.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, great storage underneath the sink. Now, this has a sliding door. This is, solid surface in here.
Surface.
Really, really nice. Towel ring. You've got some shelves up here. Not a medicine cabinet behind the mirror, but it is a backlit mirror.
Yeah.
So since this is a half bath, we would give this a half a golden plunger.
Yeah.
Because,
This is awesome.
yeah, it is just amazing that they give you this in the main bedroom. So
Yeah.
I'm going to back up here. I am all the way up against the storage here. And this is just a great room here.
I don't think we've ever seen anything like this.
We have not seen anything quite like this before.
All right, everybody. If you like this big Salem Hemisphere, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. That's right. Give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.